Noticing some noise at an idle on the supercharger, but when I get on it or I drive it, I don't really hear it. So like as the engine's revving, it's just like at an idle. But anyways, listen. I know there's like a coupler in here, supposedly that wears out, but I feel like there could be a little bit of play like right there maybe, I don't know. It's hard to tell, but I can hear this. It's definitely more, the noise I feel like is more like in the bigger area of the supercharger, not the nose cone piece. But I don't know. Maybe I'm just overthinking shit.